At this point, I am overwhelmed. In fact, guys, I am going to be getting my ice pack. What is this? Hey, hey, oh my goodness. You all, I am so overwhelmed, guys. I am shocked. In less than 48 hours, 48 hours, we have gotten over 3,000 views on my celebration video, guys. I am so grateful. I want to say thank you, God, and I want to say thank you to Tech Informat. God have used this man, and I want to say thank you to every single person who have been congratulating me. I've been getting a lot of messages. People have been asking me, "Creative Blessing, how did you do it? How did you monetize this channel? What are the strategies?" Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you people step by step, my step by step strategy. No secrets. I'm not going to hide anything. I'm just going to tell you guys the way it is. So I want you to relax. I want you to sit down because I'm going to be sharing the full strategy. I'm going to give you guys 5 strategy that worked for me. I'm not a professional coach, but trust me, from experience, I'm going to share everything. So you want to grab a pen and a paper because the 4th strategy I'm going to be sharing here, you don't want to miss it. So you want to really follow my strategy because it will work. I am 99.999% sure that this will work for you. So the first thing you want to know as a small creator, number 1 strategy, you have to have a clear path. When I say clear path, we call it niche. When I started my YouTube channel 8 months ago, I knew what I wanted to do. So at that point, I knew I was coming here to give out something. So if you're a new creator here and you're just posting stuff randomly, different content, see, call yourself to order because you want to have a particular path. You want the algorithm to push your content to your target audience. So you don't want to be everywhere at the same time, and this is going to really speed up your growth. So when I came, I knew I wanted to make videos to help people, small creators who are finding their way around things. I was willing to share every single knowledge I know. So guys, I put out content like how to do kind of videos, how to create your channel, how to change your thumbnail, different things that I knew would be of value to people. So you want to know why you're here. So don't be confused. Even if you're starting today, you need to have something in your mind, something you're going to work with for a very long time. So the second strategy, which is really important, you're not just going to be posting what you know. Now, the second strategy is what we call searchable content. Now, you're going to be posting videos that people are looking for. You're going to make searchable videos. Even as a small creator, you need to make videos that will help you to be discovered. Because if you're making videos because you like the video, you just want to put out the video, it's going to be very difficult for you to grow. So now you need to settle down, make research. We have different tools to help you. We have Google, we have ChatGPT. You need to ask these questions: what and what can I post in my niche, especially that people are looking for? If you're into entertainment, what is the trending topic? If you're into tutorial videos, what is the trending topic? What and what people are looking for? This is like the second strategy that really worked out for me. And if you check out this particular video, I did this video about 8 months ago. This video did well. As a small creator, I think I had about 500 subscribers. I don't even think it was up to 500 when this video, I think I had 500 subscribers. This video went viral. I mean, like, having 500 subscribers and making a video that got across 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 3,000 views is a lot. So you need to make videos that is high in demand, video that people want to search. People are trying to solve problems, so your video should be able to solve someone's problem. Because nobody wants to click on a video and sleep off. They want a video that is actually going to give them solution to anything they are looking for. So this is the second strategy. Now the third strategy is very important. This strategy is my posting strategy. So they're going to tell you still consistent. The truth is, consistency is the key here on YouTube. You cannot erase consistency. And when we say consistency, we're not saying post your videos every day, because it can burn you out. Trust me. You're going to be posting strategically, smartly. So if you know you can post one video every week, but I'm not gonna advise you to post once in a week because the competition is high. So the algorithm needs to see your video more often. But if you can post 3 videos per week, at least you are consistent with that pace. 3 videos every week. Trust me, you will start seeing that growth, that traction on your channel. So you don't want to be posting every day, every day, every day, and you're burning out and you're not giving enough value. So you want to take your time. If it's 2 times, that's still fair enough. You can post twice, you can post 3 times at least, so your audience can bond and connect with you. So this was something I did. I was able to show up even the days I'm tired, I don't really have the energy to film content, I still showed up. Now, the first strategy, which is really one of the sweetest part of this video, if you have watched to this point, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because I am going to be all out here to give you guys dish it to you guys back to back. Now, this fourth strategy is my watch hour strategy. So you, as a small creator, you're going to struggle with views. In fact, the first things that will tell you welcome: low views, low watch hour. These things, they will embrace you. So as a small creator, you need to start learning how to use different platforms on your YouTube channel particularly. So if you're posting videos, you need to learn how to make your live stream. I'm going to talk about the other one short, but let me talk about live stream. Live stream will build your watch hour for you. Like, the way live stream works, if you get it right, if you get people's attention on your live video, you see that watch hour you're looking for, that you've been looking for months, you're gonna get it on your live stream. So you need to be very strategic about it. We'll get to that part. So make sure you make good use of your live stream. Now, the strategic part of my live stream, that is where I am going to share. So I have this particular side hustle that I do every day. This is my business. Honestly, I never knew that if I go stream this particular business, like this particular video, I will get people watching. In my next video, I think I'm going to be unveiling how many watch hour I got from each video. So if you know you want me to do that, let me know in the comment section. So I started filming this particular live, this particular activity every day. But I think I did it like the first time, it did so well. I was like, wow, this is nice, impressive. I did it again. I was like, again, and it was amazing. So guys, I kept on streaming like back to back. Who know like better thing? So when I saw the views, I saw the watch hour, I was like, oh no, I've been here for too long. I've been following all the step, everything I have to do, but this particular opportunity, I have to grab it. So before then, I already had a certain amount of watch hour. I think I have at about over 2,000 or so. Yeah, I already had good watch hour, not like I just started streaming immediately. So you need to follow step 1, step 2, step 3 before you get to step 4 in this my journey. All right, now I streamed and streamed, and guys, I was able to accumulate a lot of watch hour. Now the fifth strategy, hold on, this one is very important, because even if you want to get your 4,000 watch hour, you need 1,000 subscribers, because you can actually get your 4,000 watch hour and you don't have 1,000 subscriber, you still cannot apply for monetization. So now I'm going to be sharing this as a bonus for me to reach 1,000 subscribers. But for this channel, I actually got 1,000 subscribers before my 4,000 watch hour. For me to get my 1,000 subscribers, I have to post shorts, and there were certain kind of shorts I engaged in. So if you want to go through this channel, you're going to see that there are certain kind of shorts that I made in the past. These shorts were amazing. Like in a day, one of these shorts gave me over 400 subs. No cap, I mean it. So if you want to go through my short videos, you're going to see this particular short I'm talking about. So I actually use shorts to complete my 1,000 subscribers. I hope this has been helpful, and if you want me to share more about my watch hour, how many I was able to accumulate from the live streams, you can also let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be here to answer every one of you. Hey, oh my goodness, I'm still overwhelmed and excited. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.